Hello dear students, today we are going to make a general revision on Unit 2. Let's start with complete the following sentences. Number 1. Temperature is considered an indicator that helps us to express the degree of. When you hear temperature, you have to say hotness and coldness of the body. Number 2. The scale of medical thermometer starts from the range of a scale. In medical thermometer, the degrees start from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. Excellent. Number 3. One of examples of heat conductors. From examples of heat conductors are copper, iron, and aluminium. They are materials which allow heat to pass through. To prevent leakage of heat, insulating glass window contain what? Excellent. Air. It's two glass sheet and air between them. From usage of heat insulators, manufacturing of woolen clothes, heavy blanket, handles of cooking pots, because they don't allow heat to pass through. Mercury is a metal. It's a liquid metal. It's the only liquid metal which is a good conductor of heat. Because of that, we use it in making thermometer. Heat is a form of energy transfers from hot object to cold object. Before using the medical thermometer, we must do two processes: sterilizing it and checking it. Sterilize it using ethyl alcohol in order to kill microbes. Checking it to let mercury back to its bulb so we can read the temperature correctly. The lower point of the Celsius thermometer is the scale of Celsius thermometer starts from 0 to 100, so the lower point is 0 degree. The main idea of manufacturing thermometers is changing the excellent volume of liquid, which is mercury, by changing temperature. As it expands, increase in volume by heating, and contracts, decrease in volume by cooling. Number 11. The fastest metal in conducting heat, excellent, copper. Copper, then aluminium, and the slowest one is iron, but all of them conduct heat. Let's come to the second question, which is give reason for each of the following. Gaps are left between railway bars. Why they left gaps between railway bars? To avoid accident. When iron expands by heat in summer, because iron expands by heat, it's a metal. The presence of a constriction above the mercury bulb in the medical thermometer. Why there is a constriction above the mercury bulb? To prevent mercury from going back to its bulb quickly, so we can read the temperature easily. The medical thermometer must be sterilized using ethyl alcohol before using it. Why? To kill microbes and avoid infection. Mercury gives a wide range to measure temperature. Why? We need mercury in liquid state, so we can see it in the thermometer, because it remains in liquid state between negative 39 and 357 degrees Celsius. Cooking pots are made of copper or aluminium. Why? Because they are good conductors of heat. Complete the answer. As they allow heat to flow through. You have to say good conductors of heat, and they allow heat to flow through. The clinical thermometer, which means the medical thermometer, is not used to measure temperature of iced water. Why? Because its scale ranged from 35 to 42 degrees, and the temperature of iced water is less than 0. Ice temperature is from 0 to less than 0 is the temperature of ice. We mustn't size on the medical thermometer, press on the medical thermometer with our teeth while using, in order not to be broken, as mercury is toxic. Let's come to put right or wrong in front of the following sentences, then correct the wrong ones. We cannot depend on sense of touching to measure temperature of patient. Excellent. We need thermometer, special device. The scale of Celsius thermometer starts from 35 to 42. Excellent, wrong. Celsius, medical thermometer. Heat insulators let heat flow through. No, heat conductors, heat insulators don't let heat flow through. The normal temperature of a healthy person is 39. No, the healthy person temperature is 37 degrees. All materials are good conductors of heat. No, all metals are good conductors of heat. Before using medical thermometer, we must sterilize it using water. No, as we said before, using ethyl alcohol. Mercury contracts regularly by heating. No, mercury expands by heating. The melting point of ice is 100. No, the melting point of ice is 0 and the boiling point of water is 100. Aluminium conducts heat faster than copper. No, aluminium conducts heat faster than iron. As we said before, copper faster than aluminium, faster than iron. The last one is what happens if you hold a hot cup of tea with your hands. What will happen? I'll feel hot. Why? As heat will transfer from the hot cup of tea, the higher temperature object, to my hands, the lower temperature object. What happens if two bodies of the same temperature touches each other? Excellent, no heat will transfer between them because there is no higher temperature and lower temperature object. They are the same. The medical thermometer is put in boiling water. It will explode. Why? Because mercury will expand up to 42 because water boils at 100. Handles of cooking pots are made of aluminium. It will allow heat to flow through and we cannot hold it. Finally, thank you dear students and good luck.